I got this one for almost 2 years and it's still coming very strong and powerful. You can cut down a lot of things and even pick up coins. And it's easy to clean up. You can press those 2 buttons, just detach the front and dump out, or and just click in, or you just push here for the filter. Okay, take out the filter. Over 2 years, I'm still using the same filter and still coming very strong. I pop back in, it's easy. I just see one, I can just suck out this stuff. 2 years. One time I even dropped on the stair. I saw I kill it, but it's still very good. It doesn't have a fancy holder or anything. I just put it on the holder, just put on the wall and just hang this way. Highly recommend it.
Less than 30 seconds.